The National Weather Service in Bismarck has issued a tornado warning for northwestern McHenry County in north-central North Dakota until 7:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 7:04 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a tornado-producing storm was located 6 miles southeast of Grenville, or 25 miles east of Minot, moving north at 25 miles per hour. Expected hazards included a damaging tornado. Tornadic debris has been confirmed by radar. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This tornadic storm will be near Granville around 7:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Simcoe and Bantry. To repeat, a tornado is on the ground. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.